Today, I'm going to show you breakfast, lunch, or dinner ideas for when I cook when I don't want to cook. For lunch today, I am going to be making just a store-bought salad with store-bought seasoned salmon. And this is kind of like, this pack is kind of weird to open. Here we go. So this is already seasoned. It's like a citrus dill salmon. And all I'm going to do, it's thawed, is place it into my air fryer. There we go. Okay. Going into my air fryer, let's see. I'll do temp 380. I'll start it for 5 minutes and then see if it's done. If not, I'll take it a little longer, but it doesn't take that long. For the salad, I am using just a store-bought baby spinach green salad with like a vinaigrette. Let's see, open it this way. And like I said, this is just something I do when I don't want to cook. That's the theme of this video, just quick and easy things that I can make or cook or put together with store-bought ingredients. And actually, put my bowl here, and I'm just gonna dump the salad in. There we go, so good. There we go. Not all of it. That, you can add extra garnishes if you like. This has like blue cheese and pecan. I'll go in with some cracked black pepper. And I'm going to separate this salad into 2 bowls. Carefully. So one salad, I think, serves 2 people well with salmon on top. There we go. Perfect. So this is almost done. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is done. Perfect. So it'll take about, this was completely thawed and pre-seasoned, so you know, somewhere between like 5 to 7 minutes in the air fryer at 380 works. And I know it's still hot, but I'm okay with wilted spinach in some of my salad. You might want to wait till it cools, but boom, there's lunch. This is for my husband and I, and my kids, they typically like to make a sun butter and jelly sandwich and call it a day. But yep, so here's lunch. Super easy, and this is lunch when I don't want to cook. Next up is an easy pasta idea when the pasta takes 3 minutes to boil and the sauce is already made. Here I have boiling water. I'm going to add some salt, vodka sauce, and I want to go ahead and start warming this up. Put that in there. Okay, I'm going to put, this is 1 pound of porcini mushroom tortellini into my boiling water, and it's only going to take 3 to 4 minutes to cook. And this is already simmering. I have it at a low heat. Okay. So this is pretty much done. I'm going to take this out and put it right into my simmering sauce. Oh. Okay, gotta turn this water off. There we go. So I'm just going to stir this, and actually I'm going to shut the heat off because everything's done. I'm going to get some Parmesan cheese, sprinkle that right on top, some fresh parsley. There we go. And that's tortellini in a store-bought pasta sauce. And that's lunch, an easy lunch or dinner. So good. Now, I know this breakfast one is last, but this is my favorite, easiest breakfast to make. It's toast with a cup of tea. So I love a good cup of tea with crusty toast with butter and my favorite jam or preserve. Comment down below how you take your toast. So I know there's not much to this. It's not much of a recipe, but it's what I do when I don't want to cook.